Okay, I'm going to make this short video. I've got this 2012 Polaris Ranger XP, and it come to me on no start condition. The dash would light up, the lights would work, but it wouldn't energize the fuel pump or anything. It almost acted like the switch was bad or the brake switch was bad. Well, I checked the brake switch, it wasn't that. And I had a previous problem with my own 2012 Polaris Ranger, and I couldn't quite remember what I did to it, but I finally figured it out. The grounds go back going to the EMC relay right here. It's the second one over from the bottom. So you have to just unhook these tabs and pull the fuse box block out, and you will see a green wire with a yellow tracer in it. Now that is the ground going to the EMC relay block. So what you have to do is just snip that wire, and then you run a wire to your ground right over here on the fuse block, and put another jumper wire, run it underneath, and hook it to this green wire right here, and that'll energize your EMC, and the Ranger will start. It's a real perplexing problem, but a simple fix. You just got to figure it out. But I know a lot of people have been having these troubles. It probably will work for other years. They might be a little different, but you just got to get a schematic and find out which one of these relays is your block, and do exactly what I'm doing, and that Ranger will start right up. Thank you. I hope this helps you, because it is a problem.